Hey, Dad, I'm gonna go to sleep, okay? Okay, son. Snores. The next day. Dad, why are you here? Son, we gotta go. The flood is here. What do you mean, flood? It's raining outside. Oh, really? Yes. We gotta go now. I don't think so. What do you mean? It's flooding. It's rising. Look behind you. Oh my God, there's water. I know, some gotta go. I can't swim. I don't want to swim ever again. Okay, we gotta go right now. But where do we go? We gotta go to the basement. The basement? I didn't know we had a basement. I know, we gotta go there. Okay. You're not killing him! Okay, I think we should be safe for now. Okay, Dad. And also, sorry for saying you're not killing him. Is the water still rising? Yes, it's still rising. Oh my God, that means we're gonna, ooh. I'm sorry, but this is the end. Aw, man. Oh my God, Dad, the water got in. There's no window. So does that mean we're dead? I think so. Oh no. I don't want to die. Me either, son. But we can't handle it. Dad, no. Water. I hate water. Okay. The flood is getting higher and higher. Quick, Dad. We don't have much time. Quick, get on my feet before it's too late. I'm too scared. Well then, here. Okay, son, are you safe? No, the water is touching me. Uh-oh. That means we're going to die. I know. Chapter 2 coming soon.